now we are going to the second part of the assignment, which is about the sets. For this sets part, you need to read from the textbook section 1.2 that I have shared with you. It's about sets and the like. So it's quite easy. I mean, there are just hardly 3 pages. So you have to read those pages and then you can solve all 4 questions of the sets. But anyways, we are going to discuss these ones here. So the first part is we have a set 0, 1, 3, 3 element set. So how many possible subsets we may have? So and subsets, you know, so it starts with the empty set and then one element set. So one element set is 0, 1, 3, and then two element set 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 3, and then it's going to be 0, 1, 3. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are going to be 8 subsets. So in the sets is important. Whenever we increase one element, the number of subsets are going to be double. For example, if we increase one more element over here, for example, we increase number 4. Okay, 0, 1, 3, 4. So how many subsets are possible? All these subsets, 8 subsets, and then we are going to have more subsets in which the element 4 will come. All these subsets and we append 4 with it. So empty set 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3, and then we add number 4 to all these. So it will become 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 0, 1, 4, 0, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 0, 1, 3, 4. So whenever we add an element, we increase number of subsets by a factor of 2. Fine. So for this, it's clear answer is 8. But this gives us an idea. So how many subsets there should be? 2 raised to power 3. So number of subsets are going to be 2 raised to power 3. Number of elements 2 raised to power those many. If there are 0 element empty set, so 2 raised to power 0 is going to be only one subset, which is empty set. If there's one element, so 2 raised to power 1, there are going to be 2. So if there are like n elements, like in part D, so how many subsets are possible? 2 raised to power n. Fine. So part D is done. Let's look at part B. A, B, C, D, E. How many subsets which contain A but do not contain B? So it means B is not excluded. So we will not count any subset which has B. So it means B is not there. And A must be there. So A has to be there. So how many subsets are possible? Effectively, we are looking for subsets with 3 elements C, D, E. And with all those subsets, we put A with it. So if there are three elements, so they are going to be 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8 subsets. And you can list down which subsets it would be. So we can list down here. So it's going to be A, B is AB cannot be, so it should be AC, because in question it says it should not contain B. So AC, AD, AE, then 2 element set ACD, ACE, ABE, and the last one is ACDE. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets which contain A, and it doesn't contain, none of these contain B. Fine. So let's come to question number C, part C. So we have 2 sets. One has 1, 3, 4. The other is 0, 3, 5. Let's call it A and let's call it B. So we have 2 sets A and B. So we have to find a set such that these 2 are going to be subsets of these. Fine. We can define any big set in which these elements are there and these would be subsets, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these will be subsets of this. But we want to find a minimum set which has these 2 sets as subset. So it's easy, just take union of A and B, A union B, and you know what it will be. It will be 1, 3, 4, 0, 3 cannot be repeated, 5. So 1, 3, 4 is subset of it, and 0, 3, 5 is also subset of it. So this is the minimal set which has these two as subset. Done. Let's come to question number 5, part E of question number 4. Number of subsets with n elements, and one element is fixed. So we have number of elements n. How many subsets are possible? 2 raised to power n, like this. But one element is fixed. It has to come in each and every subset. So it means effectively, let's suppose it's A, and then we have number of other subsets. So A is fixed. It has to be part of each and every subset. So effectively we are going to see subsets of n minus 1 elements. So and then we append A with all those subsets. So how many subsets we are going to have? 2 raised to power n minus 1. We can also write it down as 2n divided by 2, or 2 raised to power n minus 1 is the same thing. Fine. Pause.